Welcome to this video on ratios and proportions. Math is all around us, and today we're going to learn how to solve real-life problems using ratios.
Sometimes math comes from disagreements. Here, we see two monkeys debating how many bananas are needed. Let's see how ratios help solve this.
Arguments like this happen often when we don't have a clear relationship defined for our resources.
The disagreement continues with oranges. One monkey suggests 2, while the other wants 8. How do we determine who is correct?
They establish a clear rule. For everything one takes, the other takes 4 times that amount. This is the key to their proportion.
I knew when I take 1-liter water bottle, you will take 4-liter water bottle.
You got it. Whatever you take, I take 4 times of that.
Hey, look! I make it pop!
Watch me make a giant wave.
In one step, I covered 1 meter, and you covered 4 meters. Whether it is by count, or volume, or distance, yours is 4 times as mine. Luckily, you are not having 8 hands and 8 legs.
There is a relationship. Count of your fruits, or volume of water, or distance jumped, or weight is 1 part, and his is 4 parts. This relationship is called ratio and is written as 1 to 4.
The ratio of 1 to 4 defines the proportion between the two quantities.
Now, if you take 3 apples, how many apples will he take according to this ratio?
3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12 apples. Then I can write the ratio as 3 to 12?
Yes, of course.
Whenever you give your final statement, you are required to give it in the simplest form.
What do you mean by the simplest form?
You should keep dividing both numbers by a divisor until you cannot divide it any further.
That is called simplifying the ratio.
In case you take 16 grapes and he takes 64 grapes, you can write the ratio as 16 to 64, but you can simplify the ratio.
Let's simplify this ratio. Divide by 2 and we get 8 to 32. Again, and it's 4 to 16. Finally, it's 1 to 4.
Let me also show you simplification of few other ratios. To 80, you can either divide in small steps by 2 and arrive at 3 to 10, or find the highest common factor of 24 and 80 to simplify directly to 3 to 10. Similarly, for 18 to 108, dividing by 2 and then 3, simplify it to 1 to 6. Or dividing by the highest common factor directly simplifies the ratio to 1 to 6.
Learned an interesting lesson on ratio.
Hello there, math friends! Want to make learning mathematics super fun and easy? Then make sure to like this video and share it, and hit that subscribe button to Animated Maths for All. You rock! You rock!
Thank you for watching Animated Maths for All.